तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
We are unboxing Cadbury Silk Miniature 24 Premium Assortment. Come, we'll see. You open inside what is see. We opening box. We'll see what is inside. Wow! Chocolates. We have total 24. It's very beautiful design inside.
Oh my god! Wow!
This is silk chocolate, classic chocolate. This is almond silk chocolate. This is sea salt chocolate. This is butterscotch chocolate. We'll taste one and one each. We'll taste it. Wow, nice. We'll taste almond chocolate. This is like slice. We'll bite. Wow, nice. We'll unbox sea salt chocolate. Sea salt chocolate. We'll check taste.
What?
Wow, nice. We'll open butterscotch dairy milk. Wow, butterscotch dairy milk. We'll taste it. Nice, not bad. Taste it. It's like butterscotch.